The determinants of supply are those factors which cause a change in supply, those factors which cause either an increase or a decrease in supply, meaning that the quantity supplied changes at every price. Expectations are one of the determinants of supply. Here we're speaking specifically about price expectations. A firm's decision about how much to produce depends not only on the current price of the good, but also on the firm's expectation about future prices. For example, if the firm expects the price of the good they produce to rise in the future, they may delay production of that good, or they may withhold the good from the market. That is, they may inventory that good, thereby reducing the supply of the good in the current period. Supply is decreased in order to take advantage of the higher expected future price. Conversely, if the firm expects the price of the good they sell to fall in the future, the firm may increase supply in the current period in order to take advantage of the higher current price. Now, don't confuse this determinant of supply, the expectation of future prices, with the firm's current price. A change in the current price will change quantity supplied, but a change in price expectations will change supply. Another determinant of supply is the number of firms. If the number of firms in the industry increases, or if the productive capacity of the existing firms increases, then there will be an increase in supply. More will be supplied at every price. A decrease in the number of firms or a decrease in productive capacity will result in a decrease in supply. Another way of saying this, maybe a simpler way, is that the entry of firms into the market leads to an increase in supply. Exit leads to a decrease in supply. More firms, higher supply. Fewer firms, lower supply. Technology. Technology is the state of knowledge concerning the combination of resources to produce goods and services. Technology is, you can think of it as the recipes, the formulas used in production. We usually think of technology in terms of technological advances or technological improvements. This results in one or more of our inputs being used in production to be more productive. That is, we can produce more with the same inputs, or potentially we can produce more with fewer inputs. Either way, a technological improvement will reduce the cost of production, causing our profits to rise and supply to increase. There are 5 determinants of supply: seller's input prices, the price of related goods, expectations, number of firms, and technology. Notice the acronym SPENT. SPENT. Seller's input prices, price of related goods, expectations, number of firms, technology, SPENT.